Hello trader, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, I am going to be showing you how to use the PZ time trader indicator or expert advisor, right? So all you just have to do is, follow the link in the description and then follow the link within the folder that you download from the description, all right? And then when you get here, just click on the download button. Ensure that your MT5 platform is already running, okay? After doing that, just ensure that you click on this. Yes, I have MetaTrader 5. Okay, so it should install the PZ time trader for us. Okay, that's done. Now we just have to head back to our chart and we're going to drag and drop the PZ. Okay, sorry, this is the PZ time trader EA. Ensure that the allow algo trading is box is checked, and you can see the inputs here. You can modify the inputs according to your taste, how you want the EA to function. All right, ensure that your algo trading is turned on, please. Okay, because it has to be on for the expert advisor to function. All right, so now as you can see, the tool is designed to highlight the some important informations, the current time, the volume, stop loss, take profit, break even. Currently there is no trade running, right? So if you want to be able to, at a glance look at all these informations, and you also want a custom, you know setting, you can come and edit it here. Remember that this is an expert advisor, right? So you can come and edit. Perhaps you want to increase your trailing stop level, you can do that here. Yeah, if you want, maybe if you are trading only forex pairs, then of course there is no need for this weekend for option to be enabled, right? But if you're trading synthetic indices, then perhaps you can enable that. Okay, and then you can see all these other input settings. Well, if you want to customize those, you can do that according to your taste. But basically you can see that this indicator provides some important information, and it tries to help you to manage your trade more effectively. All right, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, this might just be a good time to do that. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.